Tired of dragging a hose around or dealing with clunky watering cans? Say hey to the 1-gallon lawn and garden pump pressure sprayer, your new go-to for keeping your yard in check. Whether you're watering flowers, blasting weeds, or showing pests who's boss, this little sprayer packs a serious punch without the hassle. Made from tough yet lightweight polypropylene, it's built to last through all your outdoor chores. Just fill it, pump it a few times, and spray away. The adjustable nozzle lets you switch from a gentle mist for delicate plants to a focused stream for stubborn weeds or pest zones. Reaching those awkward corners? No sweat. The extended spray wand and easy grip handle give you control without straining your back. And the semi-transparent tank? Super handy, you'll always know how much solution you've got left, so you're never caught off guard mid-spray. Perfect for everything from fertilizers and herbicides to plain OL water, this sprayer is great for yards, gardens, patios, wherever your green thumb leads you. Easy to use, easy to clean, and super effective, this sprayer gets the job done without making a fuss. If you garden, you need it. Period.